I'm Ralph Olson, President of Pacific West Appraisal Services. Oftentimes people call my office and say, look, I don't want an appraisal, I just want to know what my property is worth. Of course, when they say that, they're asking for an appraisal. The problem with traditional appraisals is that we as appraisers need a much shorter, easier form for us and our clients that allows us to just do the appraisal analysis without all the extra exhibits and attachments. So I created a short form appraisal that gives us all the appropriate analysis to answer just that one question. What's the property worth? I call it the MVM report, which is a managed valuation model, which is prepared by a state certified appraiser, and it's uniform standards of professional appraisal practice compliant, which means it's acceptable by the IRS, it's acceptable by the courts, and acceptable by the tax assessors. The MVM report is very useful for decision making, investment analysis, property settlements, courtroom testimony, and whenever you simply need to know what the property is worth, but you don't need or want a large, expensive appraisal report. So if you're a homeowner or builder and you need a quick valuation analysis, or you're an investor needing to make an investment decision, or an attorney who needs an appraisal for court testimony, the MVM report is unmatched in its speed, accuracy, and ease of understanding. I have here 3 different appraisal reports on residential properties. There's a narrative report that's about 50 pages, has lots of exhibits and attachments. It's many hundreds of dollars. This is the Uniform Residential Appraisal Report produced by Fannie Mae. Appraisers use this report and fill in over 300 cells. This report is difficult to read and understand, and it costs several $100s. Then there's the MVM report, which is very simple to read and understand. It has the analytical page in it and then maps and photos that you would need and only what you need. The MVM report is very simple and easy to understand and is very inexpensive. So if you need an inexpensive, quick appraisal report, consider ordering the MVM report.